We are here in the ICC as a eThekwini municipality with a program that is being organized with also other stakeholders to have a conversation about my safety. We are having this program because the fact of the matter is the issue of safety does not an issue that resonates also with the law enforcement agents, but it's a concept that needs all of us to join hands. We also have our partners from other municipalities and also the experts who will be able to guide us on the context as moving forward. To highlight a few, when we're talking about the issues of safety, we are saying that as we have a responsibility and a mandate to deliver services to the people, when we do that with diligence, we are addressing also the issues of safety. If, for instance, if the water department, the electricity department is doing their job accurately, we are going to see the decrease in safety issues.
Now, there are smart options that are being developed here in terms of your smart policing, your body cameras, cameras in the city, and other issues. But that needs well-trained staff. Employees must be trained, policies must be designed, and gadgets and other issues might be introduced to the environment to ensure that we are truly a safe city. And therefore, this exchange is very important in that regard.